Kert Gartner is exceptional at producing trailers for VR video games, and that's no easy feat when you consider incorporating mixed reality into the picture. Get his explanation of the genius behind mixed reality VR game trailers. I'm Stephanie Essen. This is IDZ Weekly. The problem with most VR trailers, he says, is that they're shot from a first-person perspective from inside the head-mounted display. It's a horrible way to convey what it actually feels like to be in that environment. The answer is to film in the third-person perspective using mixed reality. This is done with two camera feeds, one of the player on a green screen that is composited over the second feed of the gameplay. Read more about this and get more of his expert advice from the game dev documentation page on the Intel Developer Zone at the links provided. Thanks for watching IDZ Weekly. See you next Monday.